In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of having meal-sized containers so that when you are doing your cook-ups, you can portion out your meals and you can have them there in the fridge ready to go so that you're not in a rush spitting things out and trying to prepare if you're going off to work or off to a kid's hobby or something like that. So up until now, you've been taught to cook out of the cookbook, and the benefit of that is every recipe has the plant food and the protein that you need. You don't have to think about it. So here we've got a savoury mince, and it's as simple as having your meal-sized containers ready to go and spooning your mixture in even quantities. Okay, so I'm putting 3 scoops in here, and that's for me. And I'm not worried about the protein. I'm not worried about how much low energy plant food is going in just yet, because I just want to start with the foundations, and that is having protein in every meal and having plant food in every meal as well. So this is where you'll start too. So what I want you to do is just go out and get yourself at least 6 meal-sized containers. They don't need to be huge. 500 mils is more than enough, and eventually over time you'll get more and more of these. We have about 20 because we cook up a butt ton of food and we don't cook for the rest of the week. But for now all you need is about 6. Okay, so get yourself at least 6 so that you can have 3 meals out on you on the road and 3 meals in the fridge for the next day, and you can get by a couple of days at a time until you build your capacity up for cooking up for more than one.